Last night I was out driving, coming home at the end of a working day, driving alone in the drizzling rain, 'cause the deserted stretch of a county two lane I came across a wreck on the highway. Well, there was blood and glass all over, and there was nobody there but me. And as the rain came down so hard and cold, I saw a young man lying by the side of the road who said, "Mister, won't you help me, please?" Ambulance finally came and took him to Riverside. I watched as they drove him away, and I thought of a girlfriend or a young wife, a stage trooper knocking in the middle of the night to say your baby died in a wreck on the highway. Sometimes I sit up in the darkness and I watch my baby as she sleeps. Then I climb in bed and I hold her tight. I just lie there awake in the middle of the night, and I think about a wreck on the highway. I'd like to thank Bruce Springsteen.